we have an expansion interface for the Model I. If you want to connect a serial device to your Model I, you need a serial interface installed in this compartment in the top of the expansion interface. The serial interface connects with the front connector here, and the front connector typically, when it was new, came with a cable like this, which had the 40 pin connector on one end, an adapter unit in the middle, and then the DB25 serial cable on the other end. So it plugged into the front like so, and you connected your serial device, say your modem, to here. Nearly 40 years on, while it's possible to find expansion interfaces with the serial board in them, or even buying a serial board and installing it yourself, the cable is often missing. The cable can be fiddly to make, and if you get it wrong and mix the signals up when you're making it, you can damage your RS-232. So to help TRS-80 people out, is my latest product. It's a copy of Tandy's adapter cable. So you've got the 40 pin connector here, plugs into the front of your expansion interface, the adapter unit here, and then output is 25 pin DB connection. So if you're after one of these for your system, you've got all this stuff and you want to connect a serial device, you need this cable. I'm going to cut now to a video where I'll show using this cable connected to my PC, using transfer a program from the PC to the TRS-80 Model I, and then we'll run that program. Okay, so here is our serial cable. There's the adapter there, neatly out of the way. It's connected to a incredible array of adapters, but it works. You probably wouldn't use that many, but mine goes DB25 to DB9 to DB25 again, which changes the sex, then to a null modem, then to a DB25 cable, which goes under my desk to my PC, and it works. So I'm about to X-modem over a program called Volcano Hunter. There it is, I've got this one set up. I'm going to do it at 1200 baud. So that's sending. And we've got the Model I set up here to receive. And off it goes. So I've got it set for a reasonably low 1200 baud. So it'll take a little while. You'll see on my thread down here, as each few blocks arrive, the lights go on and it dumps them to the thread. Like then. Okay, so this takes a few minutes. You can see on the PC that we've got a little bit of time. I'll cut the video here and we'll come back when it's about to finish. So we're on about 95% now, so it's nearly done. Go back to the TRS-80 just for the last few blocks, and it's completed. Alright, so I'll just quit out of Mal. Okay, so we're back at the desktop. DOS prompt, I mean. We'll try to test our game, which we just copied over. And off it goes. There you have it. That was an RS-232 transfer from the Model I to from the PC to the Model I, using the new serial cable that I make. If you're after one of these, drop me a line. Thanks.